So, how are we supposed to treat beggars? Well, the Bible teaches Christians to show compassion, generosity, and mercy to the poor and needy, including beggars, emphasizing sharing food, providing shelter, and lending freely, as seen in Deuteronomy 15, verses 7 to 8, and Matthew 5, verses 42, while also encouraging support for organizations that help the destitute and remembering the principle of loving your neighbor. There's some debate whether to give cash or provide other forms of aid, avoid enabling harmful habits such as drinking and drugs. Balancing grace with responsibility is vital. Generosity and compassion, open your hand and give freely to the poor, as commanded in Deuteronomy 15, verses 7 to 8, and show mercy like the Good Samaritan did. Give to everyone who asks. Jesus' teaching in Matthew 5, verses 42, give to the one who begs from you, suggests a default inclination to be gracious. Lending to the Lord, Proverbs 19, verses 17 states, whoever is kind to the poor lends to the Lord, and he will reward them. Sharing and shelter, Isaiah 57, verse 8, urges sharing food and providing shelter for the poor wanderer. Support the weak. Paul's words in Acts 20, verses 35, encourage helping the weak, and remember, it's more blessed to give than receive. Direct giving versus institutional support. While some give money directly, others prefer to support shelters or food banks to ensure needs are met and to offer deeper assistance, addressing root causes like addiction or mental illness.